y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne, aka Shy, if y'all don't know. Before we get into this video, please feel free to, I guess you like, I was about to say comment, like. So what are you commenting on? You know, what if you don't even like the video? Just kidding, you're gonna love it. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. In today's video, we are going to be organizing the refrigerator, putting these groceries up in the cabinet, maybe organizing the cabinet, not the cabinet, the pantry a little bit, and yeah, just basically chit-chatting, y'all. Just a little update. Just a little update. Just a little update. Okay, let me stop acting a fool. Let's start with the fridge. Now, we listen and we don't judge. I got some stuff that's been in here since Thanksgiving. Fuck it! No, I'm just kidding. Sorry, Mom, if you've seen this video. So yeah, so we're just gonna be cleaning out this refrigerator. I had some guests over this weekend. They was dogging me out, talking about I didn't have nothing to drink, I didn't have no snacks, and so I went to the grocery store. You know what I told them? I told them was, when they come over, they should just bring their own stuff and leave it here, write their name on it. So that way, you know, it'll be here when they get back, right? It'll be here when they get back. Okay, let's start. Let's go ahead and start. I don't know if I should pour this stuff down the drain or put it in a bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a bag. Hopefully it comes out easy. Easy breezy lemon squeezy. Easy breezy lemon squeezy. Okay, take a look at the fridge. As you guys know, I got a Samsung TV double French door. Look at my mother. My sister said it was a way that I can make these pictures go all like super big across the screen, but I don't know how to do it. And she didn't do it before she left. So look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. It's not really too bad, actually. It's not too bad. Bad enough, but not too bad. Okay. Birthday cake from December 4th, thrown away. This is my bag. I'm gonna be putting everything in. Cranberry sauce from, ooh, it's stuck to the bowl. From Thanksgiving. Ooh, this is actually my mom's bowl. I wonder if you guys want to see me actually dig the stuff out. Actually, I'm going to use this spoon for this next stuff. These should come out pretty easily. I had made some chicken and what did I make? Some chicken and potatoes. Sweet potato mix. Where's the spoon? Ooh, it's so... This is actually pretty gross. I think that's the last thing we got to throw away. Then we can jump into the organizer. Ooh, I do not want to put my thumb in this bowl. Okay, enough of that. These ones are thrown away. The expiration date was 12/3. Man, I didn't even open these. Oh, these don't go dead. Go dead. These are still freezable. So, and I'm also doing this because I'm not gonna be here. This is what I squeezed my lemon juice in. I guess it was too much. I'm gonna just have to wash it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this away. This potato salad, December 7th. Lettuce, November 30th. Turkey breast, December 28th. Still good. Okay, that's all we got to throw away. Is this sour cream good? Yeah, January. Okay. That's it, you guys. It wasn't too bad. Not too bad. Gotta throw this away. So we got eggs, some whipping cream, January, some applesauce, cranberry sauce, heavy whipping cream. I'll put the heavy whipping cream by okay, so milk. Oh shoot. December 16th. Okay, glad I bought another one today. So yeah, I guess I can put the orange juice here, next to the milk. Y'all will be like, they do not go next to the milk. Here, okay, let me put this here. Put these two on the outskirts. And then put the orange juice in the middle. And then put the milk here. Heavy whipping cream here. This is thrown away. Coke Zero and Sprite 0 sugar. I think I'm gonna take it out of the can. I wonder if this camera is too close. I should. My sister boyfriend was telling me, yeah, you should, you know, check the camera to see how it's going, you know, like step back, take a look at it, then go to record and make sure it's right. And did I do it? No, I did not. And why is that? Laziness. Just laziness. You guys? Pure laziness. Now, what should I do? Actually, let me put these in the back. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the Sprites. I've never had 0 sugar Sprite, so hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's worthwhile. And this is ranch up there. I'm gonna put this dill pickle in the front. Turn these, you know. Really, this up. These are some croissants. Don't think I can use that. Pickles. Oh, I really can put. I don't know. Yeah, next year. So this is still good. I'll put the pickles down here. I'm gonna put this up there. This is kind of like chips and dip. Lemons. These lemons are bad. Soft. This one, let me just get rid of all of them. This is ranch. Open crackers, you can get rid of that. Chips, you can get rid of that. Now, a quick wipe down, you guys. We can use Lysol wipes. Alrighty, all done. All done. All done. Now let's clean up the kitchen. Start running some hot water. Throw this other stuff in the trash. All that's going in the pantry. Oh, the garbage comes tomorrow. The garbage people. So that means I need to put all this trash out. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna wash these dishes. Take out this trash. And then we gonna call it a night. Peace out.